18 on the SCF Bradenton campus in Bradenton, Florida. This is the Professional Development Center, and we have a ThyssenKrupp Impulse installed in 2004. The panel's a little loose. Here's your cab view. The nice thing about this elevator is that the fan's off. Obviously you can turn them on and off, but not without a key, so you can hear the motor. However, it isn't really a loud motor, so we're going to take a silent trip. Let's go 1. Also, these braille are smaller than the Dover brails. Dover and ThyssenKrupp use these smaller brails that actually have the the braille underneath. But Dover actually use bigger numbers.